Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to show you that germinated lovage from seed which I planted, and so beautiful tiny seedlings are. I did make video then, and I will leave the link in the corner and in description. So as you can see how beautiful they grow, and I grow this in winter time indoor, but I have lovage in my garden too, but I cannot wait for summer to eat it, and I have to grow it in a pot. So now is the video about how germinated these beautiful seedlings. As you can see, I planted in this pot when I made the video, so this is the first leaves, and then should be grow normal leaves, but have to wait more, and we'll see. I will just make update videos, We have to keep this pot in the best light possible, and looking forward to grow more of these beautiful seedlings of lovage. And you know what? Decided to put on my phone camera this lens, macro lens, and I'm gonna shoot a little bit close up and we'll see if I will get some good image. Let's see. Well, as you can see there, a close up how looking the lovage little seedlings, and I cannot do more sharp because the seedlings are so small, so tiny. Anyway, look at it, so interesting and fascinating. They growing here, and we will do close up more on these tiny leaves, and I will see. And you can see the seeds above. Let's do more close up on this leaf, for example, and see the texture. Really nice. Well, thanks so much for watching to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I posting new videos. And you can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. And have an amazing day. Bye bye.